Let me show you how to generate such Krishna Janmashtami celebration images by describing detailed prompt using Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. Visit to Microsoft Bing website. Open Microsoft Image Creator. Then describe your prompt here. Prompt is displayed as well as provided in description. After describing detailed prompt, click on Create. Here are some results. You can download image from here. We will generate some more images by making some changes in prompt. I have mentioned the prompt changes on screen. Click on Create. Here are some results. These are some earlier generated images with similar prompt. We will generate some more images by making some changes in prompt. I have mentioned the prompt changes on screen. Click on Create. Here are some results. That's it for today. Now it's your time to generate such images. Happy Krishna Janmashtami to all. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other AI generated tutorials. Thank you.